Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Today's lessons will be more informative and more important for all categories people. Those people are learning, those people are learning English, how to speak in English, those people are learning math. So I believe that you can watch this video until the end. You will be more benefited. Then actually, if you are a student, you can explain in front of your teacher, in front of your classmate. Okay. So actually, in this video, we are going to know how to use the mathematical term in speaking. When you speak in front of some people or in front of audience or in front of students, as you know that I teach my students math, so I basically I use this more times. So today's lesson, so I'm going to share with you that how to use this mathematical term in math. Actually, this if actually we all know that plus equal plus equal addition, but when you solve in math we don't use the addition term, we don't use the operation of addition, we use different meaning, that is we use plus. So today's video I'm already mentioned that will be more informative and more important and more effective and more usable. You can use this term very easily in when you solve any math. Okay, let's go and let's jump into the topic and learn something new special. Actually, the operation name addition. Addition, the verb form is add. Actually, addition add the same meaning. Add, when you use this symbol like this plus, and the meaning of plus, addition add plus plus, addition add আমরা ব্যবহার করি না, আমরা করি plus এবং plus. For example, now I want to give you the example, that is 5 plus 2 equals, okay fine, this symbol name is equal. Okay, already equal, equal equals, তার মানে কি দাঁড়ালো, if I want to say in front of some people or if in front of my students, so how can I say it? For example, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Again, repeat after me, man. Then you will be very comfortable with this. Okay, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, I already written in the full meaning in spelling. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good. The next one, subtraction. Subtraction মানে বিয়োগ, আমরা সবাই জানি subtraction মানে বিয়োগ. We can also use this term by saying that subtract, বিয়োগ. কিন্তু when you solve in math, again I'm telling you that when you use it in math, we don't use that subtraction means, we use the meaning minus from, like this. 9 minus 4 equals 5. How can I say it? 9 minus 4 equals 5. Understand or got it? Repeat after me, that is 9 minus 4 equals 5. Good job. Now the next one, multiplication and multiply. The meaning is multiply. Okay, গুণ. তো আমরা multiplication and multiply কোনোভাবেই ম্যাথে ইউজ করি না. When you solve math, we use that 3 times 4 equals 12. How can I say it? Times গুণ, অর্থাৎ গুণরে আমরা ম্যাথের সমাধান করার সময় আমরা ব্যবহার করি টাইমস হিসাবে. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. Right, got it. The next one and the final one, and this is our last step, and then we will learn the, actually we already understand that how to use it. Okay, the go. Division, divide, অর্থাৎ ভাগ করে দেওয়া. তো আমরা এইভাবে ব্যবহার করি না, আমরা যখন ভাগটা চিহ্নটা ব্যবহার করি তখন ডিভাইডেড বাই. So how can I say it? This example, actually I already written this example, so you have to pronounce in your mouth. Okay, 8 divided 2 equals 4. How can I say it? Repeat. 8 divided 2 equals 4. Got it? Understand? So thanks for watching, man. If you want to get the more informative video, the more informative lessons, you can subscribe this channel. Also you can subscribe or you can follow this page. Take care, bye bye.